Okay, control for tuple. First of all, tuple is immutable. Okay, and default constructor also, like constructor. Okay, tuple is a constructor, like a tuple is immutable. So in the runtime you can't add any elements to tuple. Okay, in runtime you can't add any elements to tuple. That is called immutable. If you are able to add something in the runtime, okay, that is called mutable. Okay, suppose I will show you. Okay, suppose in a list I am taking now. Anyway, I will give you the example of tuple also. This is my list. Suppose this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. If I am able to add one more element to here, okay, to here, this is called, okay, this total is called mutable. Mutable. Okay, in the runtime you are unable to add this element, that is called immutable. So tuple is what? Tuple is immutable. Tuple is what? Immutable. So first of all we will see the syntax. Okay, you can take any name, okay, any variable name. Like a tuple is also like a ordered one. It follow the order. Suppose I am taking like a tuple 1. Okay, tuple 1 is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, so parenthesis. Okay, parenthesis indicated as a tuple. Okay, if you are mentioning like this, okay, like this is called a tuple syntax.
Okay.
Yeah, got it right. So now I am indicating in parenthesis. So we will take example also this one only. Control C, Control V. Okay, I'm checking the output whether it is a tuple or not. Tuple 1. So I got the output. But how can I know whether it is a type or not? What I given, it is printed. Okay, in parenthesis I given, it is printed. But I want to check whether it is a tuple or not. If you are in a Spider IDE, you can go here and you can check. Okay, you can go here and check what is our this one. Variable name is tuple. Okay, variable name is tuple. But anyway, by using inbuilt function name called tuple, okay, print type tuple 1. Okay, now observe the output. So these are my elements. Okay, these are my elements. 1 2 3 4 5 are my elements. Now class is what? Class is tuple. So by using this we can say that when you are writing in a parenthesis, okay, when you are writing in a parenthesis, these elements are called tuple elements. Okay, tuple elements. Now, okay, and I say like it follows the order. Okay, it follows the order. Suppose you observe this one. 1 here also 1. Okay, 2 here also 2, and 3 3, 4 4, 5, and here also 5. So how we are giving in the input, same order we are getting in the output also. So because of these reason only we call it as a ordered one. Okay, ordered, it follow the order. Now I want to check the length. Okay, length of the tuple. Length of the tuple. How to check the length of the tuple? By using inbuilt function called len. Okay, inbuilt function called len. Okay, you will get. Okay, you will get the length of that particular tuple. Observe this one, guys. Like a 5. How many elements I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 elements I have, so 5 output. So if I am having only 3, okay, only 3, how much length I will get? Suppose one more example I am taking. Okay, this time I will write like a tuple 2 is equal to 22, 33, okay, 33, 45. Now if I check the length, what is my length? It is like a 3. It is a 3. Got it right, guys? Anyone having any doubt? Okay, this is like a 3. So I have 3 elements. 3 elements. So because of that reason only I got a 3. Now I want to check the methods. Okay, I want to check the methods of the tuple. Okay, by using inbuilt function called dir. Okay, dir, you will get the methods of that particular data type. Okay, that particular data type. Now I am giving dir. What is my tuple 2? Okay, variable name is tuple 2. Observe this one, guys. Yeah, I got this many magic methods and normal methods. We will go with the normal methods only most of the time. Okay, just give me a second, guys. I will align this. Mainly, these two methods we will use, count and index. What is the two methods, guys? One is the count, other one is the index. So,
Index.
before that, before these methods, I want to check the index. Okay, I want to check the index, or I want to fetch the elements from the tuple. Okay, I want to fetch the elements from the tuple. Now, same example I am taking tuple 1, control C, and here. Okay, now print tuple. Okay, and ordered type. So you can call with index. Okay, index starts from 0. Index starts from 0. Because of that reason, you will get a 1. Okay, you got the 1 here. Here, this is the index 0. Okay, this is index 1. This is index 2. Okay, this is index 3, and this is index 4. Okay, index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4. So at the 0th index I am having 1. Okay, at 0th index I am having 1. Now if I want to check all the elements, okay, if I want to check all the elements, how can I check? Simply give the every index. Okay, so here I given 0, after that 1, okay, 2, 3, 4.
Oh,
Now observe the output, guys. It's like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and here we will follow negative index also, reverse index or negative index. Okay, reverse index. Okay, control C, control V. Now I want like a -5. Okay, -5, -4. Okay, -3. Okay, here -2. Here -1.
minus one.
Okay, now observe this one, guys. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Here also same. Okay, by using negative index also you will fetch the elements. Okay, by using positive index also you will get the output. Okay, I want using for loop. I don't want it. Suppose this time I am having only 5 elements. If my tuple having 100 elements, how can I fetch? I can't write 100 lines, right? So simple, by passing into for loop. Okay, for I in tuple 1. Okay, I in tuple 1, passing to for loops. Okay, so by using print I. Okay, print I. Now I can't write 100 lines, right? But I can iterate that way by using like this. Okay, how many lines I am writing? I am writing 2 lines only. Previously it is like a 5 lines. Okay, previously it is like a 5 lines. Now I am writing like a 2 lines only. Now observe the output. Same output, right? This one. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, and this one. Okay, here you are passing positive indexes. Okay, index. Okay, here like a negative index. Okay, negative index. Here you are passing using for loop. Okay, either this way you can call, this way you can call, this way you can call. Anyway, which one you are feeling comfortable, use that one. Either this one, okay, this one, or this one, or this one. Which one you are comfortable, go with that. Got it, right? Now I want, okay, I don't want like a to pass I want to pass like this only. Okay, I want to pass like this only. Then that case also you can go ahead, guys. For I in tuple, okay, not tuple, range, okay, range, okay, 0, 0, 0, length to, okay, length of that particular tuple, okay, tuple variable. Now print, print tuple 1 of index starting from what, guys? 0 onwards I am taking. So now observe the output. Yeah, I got the same output right here. Okay, here also my output same. Okay, here also my output is same. Either you can call like this or like this. This is also fine, this is also fine, this is also fine, this is also fine. Which method you want to take, or which method you are feeling very comfortable, go with that method. But when like 100 lines, 15 lines, 20 lines are there, don't go with this method. These are not good method. You can go with this method or this method. Okay, got it, guys? Anyone having any doubt till here?
No. Range.
Now, okay, till now we are going with the integer type, right? Integer type. If I want to pass a string variables, okay, string variables, something like a stylage, okay, next, okay, not like a silage I will give. Monitors or TVs we are checking. Okay, TVs we are checking. That time Sony. Okay, one of the top brand. Next MI. Okay, next LG.
LG.
Okay, LG. Next fourth part is something like a Samsung. Samsung. Okay, next what other TVs we are having? Okay, Realme.
Ontario.
How many are there, guys? I am writing 5. Okay, now observe the output. Okay, if you are passing like this, okay, you will get individual value, guys, don't worry. Okay, if you are compiling this with like this, okay, now observe the output, guys. It is like a same output only. Here how you are getting same. If you are passing from okay, anyway, our intention to reduce the code, reduce the logic also. Okay, reduce the logic also. In this way, if you are compiling, you will get a exact output. So don't go with this method. Why? Because number of lines are more. Okay, this method also fine, same output you are getting. So it's a depend upon your client and you, which method you are comfortable, go with that method, guys. Okay, next, I am taking like a method. What is my first method, guys? It is like a count. Okay, count. Okay, now print. Okay, print tuple 1 dot count. Okay, count. Suppose I am giving like a Sony. Okay, Sony. So observe the output, guys. Yeah, so what count will do here, you are getting only one. Okay, only you are getting one. Now what I'm doing to check the output of count very accurately, you need to pass similar objects. Okay, similar objects. So here I am giving like a, once again Sony I am giving. Okay, Python is case sensitive, guys. Python is case sensitive. You need to write a similarly. If you are writing like this, okay, Sony. Okay, looking like same only, but this is a S is a capital, here S is a smaller one. Now observe the output, guys. Here I given like a capital one. Okay, okay, this it is the capital. Okay, capital one. Okay, here is also capital, here is also capital, but this is a smaller. Okay, this is a smaller. Now observe the output, guys. Yeah, see, if you observe this time, okay, if you observe this time, how many times I am having Sony? Here one and here two. Okay, this is a small in letter, so this is not considered, guys. Okay, looking like similar only, but this is not a similar one. So one two times I am having, because of that reason only I am getting here like a two. Okay, here I am getting like a two. Now okay, next index method. Okay, index method. Now same output I am taking is, I mean same tuple I am taking. Okay, now I don't want to count this time. I want like a index of mi, index of mi. Now observe the output, guys. What is the index? It is like a, this is index 0. Okay, this is index 1. Okay, this is index 2. Okay, here index 3, index 4. Okay, index 5, index 6. Okay, index 6. Now I am asking for index of mi. I am looking for index of mi. So what is my index? It is 1. So because of that reason only, here I got a 1. Okay, here I got a 1. Now I will take one more example. Control C, Control V. Now I want like a small Sony. Okay, Sony. Now observe the output, guys. So here, okay, here, okay. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, okay, this is 3, 4,
4,
5,
5,
6.
6.
What is my index, guys? Sony index is 6. Okay, this is a small s, guys. Okay, here is a
Okay.
small s. Because of that reason only I am getting like a 6. Okay, got it? Anyone having any doubt till here?
Oh, if we give capital S, it will print 0 and 5.
No, it will give two times. It's a number of times.
Okay.
Sorry. This time, right? We are calculating index, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
index,
yeah.
index.
I will show you that thing also. Just give me a second.
Okay.
Students, evening batch 3. Okay, now we are in new topic called tuple.
Tuple.
Tuple 1. Now, yeah. If we are giving capital yes, okay, observe the output, guys. Okay, just a minute, just a minute. What I will do, Control C, Control V. It is given like a 0. First occurrence it will give.
Okay.
Okay, first occurrence it will give, so little careful with this one indexes. Okay, and anyway tuple accept for we can give any index, so directly you can give. And here one monkey fellow done this. Okay, something like a tuple one. Okay, tuple one. Not before that, interviewer asked for add one more element to tuple one. Okay, add one more element to tuple one. Then how can we add one more element to this one? So what monkey fellow done? Okay, tuple one. Okay, tuple one dot append 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 method is there for add or add the one more element to the particular list in the list. Okay, now what we are doing, we are using same method for tuple. Now if you observe this one, Sony completed, right? Realme, LG, what else TVs we are having, uh, view TV. Okay, something like a view. Now observe this one guys. Tuple object has a no attribute append. So on runtime you can't do this one. Okay, if you want to try insert also, okay, insert method is there in the list, right? So here if I am using insert insert required two arguments, something like I am inserting it at 0th place. Now observe this one guys. Okay, insert also not there. So because of that reason, okay, because of this reason only, okay, you can't add it a runtime. Okay, you can't add it runtime, so that is called like a immutable. Got it right guys? Okay, now, okay, till now anyone having any doubt?
No, it is clear.
List. Okay, now how to add a element to tuple? So, if this is a very important interview question, guys, how to add element to tuple? Okay, so directly you can't add. Why? Because tuple is a immutable type, so you can't add in a runtime. But you can do one thing. You can typecast. Okay, you can typecast this to list, and you can convert it back to tuple. So how we will do that? I will show you. Same this one I am taking same tuple. Control C. Okay, Control C. Now here what I'm doing, okay, list one. Okay, list one, what I'm doing, tuple is a constructor guys, this is a constructor, so you can directly use a tuple. Sorry, uh, now here I not require tuple, here I require list constructor. Now here tuple one. Okay, tuple one. Now if I print this one, print list one. Okay, print list one. Observe this one guys. Yeah, here I got in a list format, right? Square bracket. If you observe little clearly, here I got a square brackets. Okay, and this is a type of list only. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can go here and check guys. Okay, you can go here and check, what is my list one. Where is L? Yeah, here it is like a list type. Still if you have any doubt, you can go here and check for the method called, sorry, function called type. Okay, by using type function you will get the what is the type of that particular data type. Okay, now, now, okay, anyway we converted to list, that is fine. Now list one. Okay, list one append, list one append what I'm appending, like Bajaj. Okay, Bajaj. Now I am checking. Okay, I am checking whether it is appended or not. List one. Okay, it is appended or not. Now observe this one, guys. Okay, previously it is up to Sony only. Okay, previously it is up to Sony only. Now we are added Bajaj. Okay, here I am getting Bajaj. Got it, guys? So what we done, from tuple to we are converted list. Okay, we are appended one more element to this one. Okay, we are appended one more element to this one. Now again back to tuple. So what I am doing, tuple 1. Okay, tuple 1 is equal to tuple. Okay, this is a default constructor, you can say list 1. Okay, now I am printing that, print tuple 1. Okay, print tuple 1. Observe this one, guys. Okay, control shift. Yes. Previously it is like a list, right, guys? Why? Because they are having square brackets. Here is also same square brackets, but Bajaj is added extra. Here no Bajaj. Okay, here no Bajaj. Here Bajaj added extra. Now if you observe here, okay, it is having parenthesis. Okay, it is having parenthesis. Okay, if you observe here, this is having parenthesis, and here is also something like a parenthesis. So like this, okay, like this you can add. Okay, you can add element to tuple. Okay, very important interview question, guys. How you will add one element? Okay, one element to the tuple. So by default you can't add, but by doing like this, okay, by doing like this you will get the output. Okay, you will get the output. Anyone having any doubt till here?
No.
Adding tuple like append is to add, right?
Sorry, once
ఇది
again.
అపెండ్ యూజ్ చేసి యాడ్ చేయడానికి అపెండ్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం కదా, దానికి ఏదైనా యాడ్ చేయాలంటే అపెండ్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం కదా.
లిస్ట్ కు మాత్రమే అపెండ్ వాడతాం. ఓకే,
ఓకే.
టపుల్ కు అపెండ్ పనిచేయదు.
ఓకే.
ఐ మీన్ ఆ మెథడ్ టపుల్లో లేదు. ఓన్లీ మనకున్న మెథడ్స్ ఏంటి? ఓన్లీ 2 మెథడ్స్ మాత్రమే మనకున్నాయి. వన్ ఈజ్ లైక్ కౌంట్. ఓకే, ఒకటేంటి మనకు కౌంట్, ఒకటేమో ఇండెక్స్. 2 మెథడ్స్ మనకున్నాయి. ఓకే,
ఇండెక్స్ అంటే స్టార్టింగ్, కౌంట్ అంటే ఎన్ని వర్డ్స్ ఉన్నా కౌంట్ చేయడం కదా.
సో ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయన్నది మనకు కౌంట్ చేస్తుంది.
ఓకే,
ఇండెక్స్
ఇండెక్స్
అనేది ఏ
స్టార్టింగ్ నంబర్.
ఇండెక్స్ లో ఉంది అనేది మనకు చెప్తుంది. Okay, count will give how many same elements. Okay, same elements we have, that count it will give. Okay, index will give what is the element index. Got it? Okay, and here nested tuples are accepted. Okay, nested tuples, so tuple 2. Okay, tuple 2 is equal to, and any data types you can pass, guys. Okay, in tuple also you can pass any data type. So anyway I will show that. 1 2 3 4 okay, uh, apple. Okay, then after 12.9. Okay, next proof. Okay, this is fine. Now print tuple 2. Observe the output, guys. It is like a any data type you can pass. Okay, it will not create any issue. Okay, now we are at a nesting, right? Nesting. Now I am having this list. Okay, sorry, I am having this tuple. Now here, somewhere here I am adding one more tuple. Okay, one more tuple, something like a 5 6 7. Okay, 5 6 7. Now print tuple 2, print tuple 2. Yeah, I got this one. So I want to access 567. Okay, I want to access 567. How can I access? How to access those elements. Anyone guys? Tuple 2. By using index we will get. But what is the index? How we will know? Okay. This is like a 0 index. This is a 1 index. This is a 2. Okay. This is 3. Okay. This is a 4. This is a 5th. This combination total is like a 6th one. Okay. And I want 5 only. Okay. I want 5 only. How can I get? Okay. So inside, just a minute. Here if you observe 6, 6, what will happen? Yeah, I got a 5, 6, 7. Okay. Inside that particular tuple I want again fifth element. Okay, I mean this element, 5 element. So control C. If you are having nesting, okay, pass one more index and that index also starts from 0 again. Okay, again this is like a 0. Okay, this is 0, this is 1, and this is 2, like that it will continue guys. Now so I got a 5, right? Here if you observe this one, this is like a 5. So whenever you are having nesting, okay, whenever you are having nesting, you can fetch by using index. Got it guys? Anyone having any doubt till here?
No.
No, right? Having any doubt?
No.
Okay, now we will check for the slicing. I am taking same tuple, control C, control V. Okay, what is mean by slicing guys? Print what will happen? I got a total, right? If you are not giving start range, end range, it will print all the elements. Okay. If you are not giving any start and end position, it will print all. Okay. If you want, okay, if you want, and anyway, guys, tomorrow onwards, I will tell you about the Google Colab. Just give me a second. Just a second. Yeah. Here, I am taking my tuple. Now, so initially it will take some time. Okay, initially it will take some time to allocate the CPUs. Okay, to allocate the CPUs, it will take some time. Once allocation is done, okay, here it is created allocation like a RAM. It is created, disk size it is created, and this is like a run button, guys. Okay, this is the run button. When you click on this button, it will process that code and it will give the output. This is the output, guys. Okay, this is output. What is the advantage of Google Colab is, okay, it is like a online notebook, Jupyter notebook, similar like a online notebook. Just a minute. Now if I save this one, okay, save, you can save it in Git directly, you can save in a drive directly. Okay, wherever you want, you can save normal also. Now I save normally. If I save in a Git, okay, if I save in a Git, just a minute guys, Python. Okay, here I am saving like a tuple only. Now if you go to GitHub, Google, go to Google and type GitHub. Okay, you will get a first link. Okay, and sign into that link. You will get a, you search for Anil Durgam. Okay, search for Anil Durgam. You will get this page. Okay, you will get this page. If you go inside of this, so many examples are available. Every topic example is available. Okay, if that is available or not, now onwards I will update that. Okay, if you go tuple, okay, if you go tuple, and if you download this one, you can directly check. Okay, you can import that, you can directly check. Okay, you will get the output also. Just a minute, guys. Now, see, this is the output. Okay, this is the output. Okay, this is the output. Here only you will get the output. Now, if I am sharing the code, if I am sharing the code, you will get only the code. You will not get the what is the output. So, in this case, you will get the output also. In this case, you will get the output also. You can, yeah, just a minute. Is it visible? No. So by using Google Colab, you will get the output also. Okay, this is the output. Okay, here this case it is output. Insert is not there. Like default methods are not there. Only two methods are there. One is a count and one more is a index. So any data type you can take, guys. Okay, this one is a possible. Okay, this one is a possible. So we will check here. Okay, we will check here. Just a minute. Yeah, first of all, use it to store multiple items. Okay, use it to store multiple items. Okay, and ordered. Okay, ordered one, and you can't change that. And next one, you need to use a round brackets like a parenthesis, I can say. Okay, parenthesis. Okay, parenthesis. Okay, next, only count is there, and one more is what, index is there. Okay, count and index is there. Okay, next, syntax is like this. Okay, syntax is like this. So this is like a empty tuple. This is what, empty tuple. Now if you want to check the type, you can use a inbuilt method called type. Okay, if you want to check, if you want to check the type of that, you can use this one. And next one, id. Okay, id, what it will print, it will print the memory location. Okay, it will print the memory location where our tuple is storing. Okay, where our tuple is storing, it will print. And if you want to check the indexes, okay, indexes are what, which element is there in that particular index, you can use this one, guys. Getting right? Next, reverse indexing is also possible. We already discussed all these. Okay, insert method is not there, and you can directly pass any variable you can take. And if you are giving like this, okay, giving like this is converted to list to tuple. Okay, this is the conversion of a list to tuple. Next, like that, you can take any data type. Any data type you can take, you will get the output. Okay. Here, why we are not getting is, if you are giving individual one, you will get. But if you are not giving, then you need to give like this: tuple one, tuple two, okay, tuple three. Like this, you need to give. Yeah, I got a only last one, right? So for that, you can use a print statement that will be very accurate one. Or you can write individual lines also, guys. That is also fine. Yeah, you got the output, right? And any different data types also you can take. Okay, different data types you can take, guys, like a tuple one. Yeah, like this you will get the output. Like any similar types also you can take, it will not create any problem. Similar type you can take, different types also you can take. And this is called a default constructor, guys. Okay, default constructor. Okay, anyway, this is not related. If you want to check the range, okay, range, you can check this one. Yeah, wait. Print list one. Yeah, range also you can use, you will get the direct values. Okay, that many values you will get. Anyway, we are unable to notice here, but you will get, guys. Okay, next, slicing. Okay, slicing the tuples. Okay, by using this, okay, by using like this, if we are not giving range, start and stop position. Okay, stop position, it will print the all elements. Okay, now I am giving like some range. Okay, 0 to 0 to 3, 0 to 3. Now 0 to 3 in the sense 3 minus 1, it is like a 2. Okay, 3 minus 1, it is like a 2. 0 to 2, indirectly it is 3 elements. Okay, indirectly 3 elements. Now I got a 0th index, 1 index, 2 index. Getting right, guys? Here start position you need to give, after that colon. Okay, colon, and the stop formula is what? Stop is equal to, okay, stop is equal to stop minus 1.
-1.
Yeah, stop minus 1. In our case, okay, in our case it is like a 3. 3 minus 1, it is like a 2. So what is my start position? 0. So 0, 1, 2. These three elements it will print, guys. These three elements. So in our this tuple, okay, in this tuple, 1 is like a 0th index, 2 is like a 1 index, 3 element is at a 2 index, second index. So because of that reason only I got a 1, 2, 3. Getting right, guys? Anyone having an issue? No, right? And here, not this one. I will go this one. Very important interview question, guys. How to append. Okay, how to append element to tuple in the runtime. Okay, and like I will write a 1, 2, 3. 1, reverse the tuple. Okay, reverse the tuple, or something like a start the tuple. Okay, these three are very important interview questions, guys. On the tuple, so many are there. Why it is like a immutable? Okay, fourth one, why tuple is immutable? Okay, work on these questions, guys. Very important one. Anyway, I will tell you how to reverse the tuple. Okay, how to reverse the tuple? Control C, Control V. Okay, any guesses, guys? Here, Okay, I got same order, right? Okay. Now if you observe this one,
Reverse order.
reverse order, right? Very important and smaller question only, single line answer, but we will confuse at that time. Okay, and most of the time they will give like a string values, so you will get like this. But this is not an interview question. You need to write logic for this one. This is reversing, okay, but they will not ask for default methods or something like a index methods. They will ask to write the code for this one. Okay, so I am showing like a output is this one. If they are not asking, you can go with this one. When you are working with your project, you can use this one, but in interviews they will ask for how to reverse the tuple using code. Okay, not default methods, right? And work with these four questions. Okay, anyway, first one completed, this one completed, and sorting. Okay,
అనిల్ గారు ఇది ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఎలా యాడ్ చేశారు మీరు? అపెండ్ హౌ యూ అపెండ్?
అపెండ్ కాదండి, అపెండ్ లిస్ట్ కు ఉన్నది, మనకు అపెండ్ లేదు.
ఇక్కడ అన్నారు కదా
ఫస్ట్
టపుల్ లో యూజ్ చేసి చేయమన్నారు కదా. హౌ టు అపెండ్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఇన్ టపుల్
హౌ
ఇన్
టు
రన్టైమ్.
అపెండ్ ఎలిమెంట్, హౌ టు యాడ్ అని రాస్తున్నానండి, అపెండ్ అని కాకుండా హౌ టు యాడ్ ఎలిమెంట్ టు టపుల్. ఇది ఓకేనా? ఆల్రెడీ క్వశ్చన్ నేను ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాను, ఇది కూడా కంప్లీట్, బట్ మీరు కోడ్తో రాయాలి. సార్ట్ ఇది మీరు చూసి ఇది రేపు చేసేయండి. అండ్ ఇమ్యూటబుల్ ఎందుకు అన్నది కూడా నేను చెప్పాను, యూనిట్ టు వర్క్ ఆన్ దిస్ వన్. ఓకే, అండ్ దిస్ వన్ ఆల్సో, బట్ విత్ కోడ్. ఏ కోడ్ రాస్తే మీకు అది మొత్తం రివర్స్ అవుతుంది, ఎలా తీసుకుంటే అవుతుంది. టపుల్లో టపుల్ తీసుకోకండి. ఓకే, వెన్ యూ ఆర్ వర్కింగ్ విత్ టపుల్, డోంట్ టేక్ అ నెస్టింగ్. ఓకే, సింపుల్ టపుల్ తీసుకొని రివర్స్ అవుతుందా లేదా అని మీ కోడ్ ద్వారా చెక్ చేయండి. ఓకే, ఇండెక్స్ రాసుకుంటారా, లేకపోతే ఇంకేదన్నా మెథడ్ వాడతారా, లేకపోతే ఏదైనా ఆపరేటర్ వాడతారా, అది మీ ఇష్టం. ఓకే, అండ్ సార్టింగ్ కూడా అంతే అండి. సార్టింగ్ కూడా మీరు ట్రై చేయండి, మీతో కానప్పుడు అప్పుడు గూగుల్లో సెర్చ్ చేయండి. అలా కూడా మాకు దొరకట్లేదు అంటే రేపు మనం డిస్కషన్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే, టపుల్లో ఇంకేమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా ఇక్కడ వరకు? ఏం డౌట్స్ లేవా టపుల్లో?
లేదు.
ఓకే, సో గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, 1 minute I will show you. సింపుల్, మీరు సపోజ్ ఇన్కాగ్నిటోలో నేను మీకు చూపిస్తున్నా, మీకు ఎలా ఉంటుంది అన్నది. ఓకే, మీరు గూగుల్లోకి ఎంటర్ అయ్యండి. గూగుల్లోకి ఎంటర్ అయ్యాక గిట్ హబ్ అని టైప్ చేయండి. ఓకే, గిట్ హబ్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ లింక్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ లింక్లోకి వెళ్ళాక ఇక్కడ అనిల్ దుర్గం అని టైప్ చేయండి, అనిల్ దుర్గం. ఓకే, హియర్ యూ విల్ గెట్ 2 users. ఓకే, ఇద్దరు యూజర్స్ ఉన్నారు. దిస్ వన్ ఈజ్ మైన్. ఓకే, ద ఫస్ట్ వన్. Okay, this one is mine. Now here is a python folder. Okay, python folder లోకి వెళ్ళాక కొంచెం జూమ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నా, రైట్? ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ లో చాలా ఉన్నాయండి, లైక్ దిస్ మెనీ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. యూ వాంట్ టు చెక్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్, యూ కెన్ చెక్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్. ఎనీవే నేను మీకు ప్రతి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తానండి, డోంట్ వరీ. టపుల్ కాంప్రిహెన్షన్, టపుల్ అడిషన్ ఇవన్నీ ఉన్నాయి, మీరు చెక్ చేసుకోవాలంటే చెక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. బట్ ఇప్పుడు చెప్పేటి ఎక్కడ స్టోర్ అవుతున్నాయంటే పైథాన్లో. ఓకే, పైథాన్లో ఇక్కడ డైరెక్ట్గా స్టోర్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, దిస్ వాట్ జస్ట్ నౌ అప్డేటెడ్. ఇనిషియల్ కొంచెం టైం తీసుకుంటుంది, బట్ ఓకే. అండ్ మీరు డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవాలి అని అనుకుంటే ఇక్కడికి రండి, ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసి కోడ్. ఓకే, డౌన్లోడ్ జిప్. కోడ్లోకి వెళ్ళి డౌన్లోడ్ జిప్ అని కొడితే మీకు ఏమవుతుంది అంటే ఆ ఫోల్డర్ అనేది డౌన్లోడ్ అవుతుంది. స్టిల్ ఏంటి అంటే వినయ్ గారు కూడా మీకు షేర్ చేస్తారు. నేను ఈ ఫోల్డర్ని వినయ్ గారికి షేర్ చేస్తున్నా, వినయ్ గారు కూడా మీకు షేర్ చేస్తారు. ఇస్ ఇట్ ఫైన్?
It's fine.
No. Next topic is dictionary. Okay, Next topic is what? Dictionary. This one. Yeah. Uh, Dictionary. What is this? The dictionary is simple like it is also having, if it will also store different data types. Okay, but in the format of key and value. Okay, it will also store. It will also, and it is visible, right? Different data types in the format of key and value pairs. Okay, key and value pairs, and the format. Okay, dictionary format called in other languages is a JSON format, JavaScript object notation. Okay, JavaScript object notation. Just a minute, I'm showing that JSON. Okay, JavaScript object notation. Okay, anyway, I want to show this format. Okay, it is in the curly brackets. Okay, it is in the curly brackets. Anyway, first of all, I will tell about this one only. So the empty curly brackets indicated as a dictionary. Okay, this is a syntax. So dictionary one, and the key and value should be there. Okay, every key and value after comma should be there. Okay, every key and value after key 1 colon value 1. Okay, like this you need to write curly brackets, key and value, key and value. So here I am taking like a flower and jasmine. Okay, flower and jasmine. Flower is my key. Okay, flower is my key, and dictionary one is my dictionary variable. Okay, my dictionary variable. I am checking like a dict 1. Okay, dict 1. What is the output I will get? I am checking now. Observe this one. Yeah, I got the flower and jasmine. Okay, I want to check what is the type of that. Okay, type of that, to check the data type. Okay, to check the data type, you need to use a inbuilt function. Okay, inbuilt function called type, now. Yeah, I got the dictionary. Okay, so whenever you are giving like this, okay, whenever you are giving in the curly bracket, this is like a key. Okay, this is my key. Okay, jasmine is my value. Jasmine is my value, flower is my key. Okay, like this n number of keys you can write. Okay, n number of keys you can write. Now we will check the, okay, different methods we are mentioned here, but before the different method, yeah, type also we checked here. Just a minute, control X. Yeah. Yeah, here I took like a three keys. Okay. Whenever you are giving key is a string, you need to give curly brackets. Okay. Robin, we will stop the session here. We will continue tomorrow. I have little call.
Okay, okay, no issues.
Yeah. I will share this one anyway.
Okay, okay, fine.
Yeah.
I'll go through this.